Gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe with notifications on.
Alright guys, good afternoon guys, good afternoon. Today we're coming back again with another video. We are going to talk about something very interesting, guys. You know, there is a concern about a lot of things about the attack on women. A lot of women have been attacked. They say, let me put it this way, Kasetswana, Bari, Kunalis Febe, Musadi Hajola, Hatama Aratabanna, Limitas Febe, Agir, Lirikis Febe. When a woman goes out and sleep around with multiple men out there, you call that woman a war. There is a woman, it's a war. It's a war. It's febe. It's febe. It's Zulu. It is febe. And it. But you as men, when you go out there and sleep around with many women out there, you don't call you. They don't call you febe. They don't call you a war. Why is women subjected to abuse? Why are women being abused more than women are being abused emotionally, physically? You know, the way we do things, guys, come on, man, guys, you know, sometimes it's so disgusting. You find multiple men, there are many men who are actually going out there, sleeping around with many multiple women. It's because of you're a man, you're supposed to sleep around with many men, many women? No, guys, no, man. And you don't see it wrong. You don't see anything wrong. When it's your turn, when it's these women's turn, they go out and sleeping with multiple women, multiple men, you're calling them sifebe. But when some of you men, you even go out and sleeping with your own men. What's wrong with you? I am so embarrassed, guys. Hold on, I'm calm. You know, guys, it's something that we need to talk about. We really need to talk about this. Some men, they go around. You know, do you know how many men? They've been harassed sexually, on their honors. You know how many men have been happy? Some of these men are Hey, let me just say this to you guys. Be careful, ladies. Be careful when you see your man too close to this boyfriend, to this man, and you think, you know, they are friends. You think these people, they are friends and so forth and all those type of things. No, let me tell you something. Why these people, they becoming friends? By a jana. These people baratana, by jana marau. Huh? When you are coming out here, you're saying, oh, you know, hey, I'm going to my friends. Some of you guys, you even leaving your girlfriends, you go and sleep with you go and sleep with your friends. I know I was at my friend's place. No, I was at my friend's place. Can you know, on the other hand, you are banging that friend of yours on the anus. What's wrong with you? Why would a man go out there and bang another man on the anus? What's wrong with you guys? Are you guys normal? Huh? What's wrong with you guys? Why are you calling these women Difebe? Why Luna? Why, guys? Let me just be honest with you. Men are most famous more than women. You know how many men sleeps around with so many girls out there. You know how many a man sleeps around with? A man doesn't mind to go out from one woman to another on a daily basis. Yeah? Mara, no one comes to you and call you Huronel's Febe because you're a man. No one does that. You always want to say no, Pastor Febe, about fast is Febe, and so forth. But you guys, let me just say something. You know, women, they've got dignity. Women, they've got dignity. Some of them respect themselves. And let me tell you something. You know, there is this thing that I want to say something, I want to talk about. Do you know, Hori, as a man, you are too weak. You are very weak. A woman can afford to sleep with more than 10 men a day. Yeah? 10 men a day. A woman can do that. A woman doesn't mind. They've been given they've been given. It's culture. They've been given. It's nature. They don't get tired like a man. When as a man, if you go out there, you just do 1, 2, 3. You are done. You are tired. Yeah? But a woman doesn't get tired. Why do machita bari oh narinyaka sithembu what sifuna sithembu sifuna ekhaya kune sithembu what especially emazulu but ekhaya kune masithembu what nonsense is this? Sithembu for what? For nonsense. Yeah? So if women were to decide to say, you know what, let us also have multiple husbands, let us have our own sthembus, would it be okay for women to do that? Why is only sthembus supposed to be only for men? Why not women? Why not women? I'm not saying, guys, it's okay for women to have multiple husbands. But what I'm saying, it is wrong for you as men, as people, as the nation. We're calling abafazi bethu, but our sisters, we're calling them Difebe. Yeah? Because they're sleeping with multiple men. But when, as a man, if you go out there and sleeping with multiple women, you're not being called such names. You're not being called such names. Amadoda manje, these days they're sleeping amongst each other. They're bayadlana. Bayadlana. What is this? What's happening to the world? What's happening to our main, dignity as men? What happened to our dignity, guys? Why would you go out there and sleep with another man? You are a man, but you go sleep with another man? Are you crazy? Did God create you as a man to go out and sleep with another man? A man like that is not a man. He's a half man. He's actually a quarter man. It's not even a man, half man. You cannot be a half man. You are a quarter man. Simple as that. Guys, why are we like this? Why? Why are we calling our sisters? Why are we abusing these women? Why are we abusing them? When it's them going out sleeping with multiple women out there, we're calling them Difebe. Matter when you go out there, you're sleeping with multiple women. But no one is calling you Difebe. Because you are a man? Oh, I'm Shabu. Hey, Matot. And guys, don't you know, the more you sleep around as a man, the more you sleep around, you are finishing yourself. The day comes when you're supposed to get married, you are tired, you can't even perform in bed because you are tired, you are done. Guys, no man, no. I just wanted to share that part, just to share that part so we can understand why is it wrong for a woman to go sleep around with multiple men, and why is it right for you as a man to sleep with multiple women? And on top of that, you are calling these women Difebe. But when you're calling them wars, when as a man, no one calls you Difebe. Difebe. Because you're a man. Let us stop this woman abuse, man, guys. Man. The way we're calling our sisters these names is wrong, man. This thing, I think it's our black culture. I'm not sure why we're behaving like this. Why are we like these guys? Ask yourself as a man, how many women do you sleep with on a monthly basis? How many women do you sleep with? Did anyone call you names? Did anyone call you Difebe? No one calls you Difebe. No one calls you a war. But when, because of you're a man, you are calling your woman, because a woman is able to go on. If a woman goes and sleeps with multiple men, you are calling them the wars. She's a war. She is fair. But what? No, man, stop that, guys. Stop that. You are not strong enough to be sleeping out there with multiple women. A woman is more stronger than you. She can afford to. A woman can afford to have one man. Listen to me. All 10 men, they can be in one place. 10 men. I'm not talking about rape now. 10 men or 6 men. She can afford to save them, all of them. She can. One man can go there and say, pa, 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 done. The next one come, pa, 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 done. The next one come, pa, 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 done. The next one come, pa, 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 done. The next one come, pa, 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 pa. And she's enjoying. It's the same thing as you, as a man, you are doing 10 rounds. It's the same thing. It's the same thing as you, as a man, you are doing 6 rounds. It's the same thing as you, as a man, you are doing 3 rounds. It's the same thing. You are calling them Difebe, wars, what, these are wars, Difebe, and all those type of things. But when you do that, who calls you Difebe? Guys, respect our sisters, man. Respect our sisters, respect them, man. Please, let's stop these things. Think about it. Think about it. How many men you have known out there that are sleeping with multiple women? How many men? Do they call them Difebes? Do they call them whores? She's a whore. She's a whore. Hey, when what? Difebe, what? But when a woman is doing the same thing, you are calling them Difebe. Guys, man, think about it, man. Guys, thank you so much. I just wanted to share that, so you guys can understand. Sometimes I know this video will be shared by multiple people. Some of them, they are going to agree, especially women are going to agree. Let me tell you something. Women are going to agree with me because you are calling them Difebes. Because you're sleeping with multiple men out there, multiple women out there. You're not being called Difebes. And some of you as men, you even lost your car, you lost your dignity. You go out and sleep with another man. A man sleeping with another man. In the anus. Disgusting. Just says. You don't love yourself, man. Just says. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again next time when we talk about something else again. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and also comment down below if you've got any problems. I always come and share with you relevant content that can actually impact our lives. Alright guys, thank you so much.